Still copying and pasting or taking endless screenshots to save your Claude chats? It's messy, slow, and ruins the formatting. Meet Claude AI to PDF. With just one click, turn your conversations into beautifully polished, easy-to-read PDF archives. Your exported PDFs preserve rich Markdown, code blocks, tables, images, and include an automatic outline for easy navigation. Want more control? Use the custom preview to select exactly which messages to include. And easily switch between light, dark, or eye care themes. For power users, the Advanced Export Center lets you convert all your open tabs at once, or batch export entire Claude projects in seconds. It even automatically tracks your history to prevent duplicate downloads. Start building your local AI knowledge base today. Download the extension now.